Hello, today I'm unboxing the Dell Chromebook 3110 and I got it today. They told me it's going to be 2 days shipping, but this is how, well, it was in a box, but I have it like this now. And I'm going to go ahead and take these out. This is how it looks like, and it's pretty large enough. And then I think it says about 1 or something kilograms. So this is how it looks. It's a Dell Chromebook 3110. Yep. And then you can open it. I believe this does have the touch screen feature since I ordered touch. So that's how it looks. That's the Dell with the I don't know if it has enough batteries for it to turn on, but that's what it looks like. So this is the Dell Chromebook 3110. Dell Chromebook 3110. This is how it looks. And it has, it also came with this, which is some kind of a charger, I guess. And then it came with this, which is there you go.